How to avoid that your feet hurt when you run. If you are a seasoned runner, you know the importance of a good running shoe. It can make the difference between a great running experience or potential injury. The problem is not being informed. Most people do not know that there is a proper shoe for your foot type. Knowing your foot type before you hit the stores can make a world of difference whether you want to do brisk walking, jogging, or marathons. How do you determine your foot type? It's really quite simple. Get a piece of dark paper and then soak your feet and step on the paper. Look closely at the imprint. There are generally 3 types of feet. 1. If your imprint covers most of the feet, not much arch at all, then you have flat feet. You are among the 60% of the population in America with flat feet. 2. If you show a wide arch and narrow line of your outer foot, then you have high arches. You are among the 30% of the population in America. 3. If your imprint has a medium arch, then congratulations. You are among the 10% of the population in America with the ideal foot. Regardless of what foot type you have, there are running shoes that are right for you. As many as 56% of the 30 million runners in America have injuries from improper shoe selection. So you can see that you do have to do your homework to protect yourself. With all the pressure one gets from TV ads or what is popular to wear now, you really need to put the health aspect first. Most likely you will be able to find a shoe that is right for your foot type and still have style. To determine the shoe to buy, here are some guidelines. 1. For the flat-footed person, you will want to buy a shoe that is rigid and stable. This will prevent your ankles from bending inward or outward, and it will protect you. 2. If you have high arches, you will want to look for a very cushioned shoe. High arched feet don't absorb shock very well, so you'll want that cushion to help in absorbing the shock for you. 3. For the medium arch or ideal foot, you want the combination of both stability and cushioning for your feet. When you try on a shoe, it should be snug but not tight, and there should be approximately a ½ inch between your longest toe and the front of your running shoe. Tip: shop for your shoes late afternoon when your feet are a little more spread. If it is not comfortable when you are in the store, imagine what it will be like when you are out on a run. So test them well while you're there. In summary, those shoes you bought that were such a bargain may be cause for concern in the future, so pick wisely and may your running experience be smooth and wonderful. Your feet will be most grateful. And this is all about how to avoid that your feet hurt when you run. Now you just have to put these tips into practice. It's your turn.